Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today we will talk about the orca whale. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, interact with it and activate the bell button to receive everything new, so let's go. Orcas, or what is known as the killer whale, is a mammal and a type of large and predatory dolphin. It is characterized by its distinctive colors of black and white mixture that makes it easy to distinguish. These dolphins live long lifespans ranging from 50 to 80 years. They range in length from 7 to 10 m and weigh approximately 6 tons, which means they are huge. They live in large groups and communicate with each other using echo to locate. It has the ability to dive into the depths of the sea to a depth of up to 152 m. Orca is named after its scientific name, which symbolizes this predator and killer animal. This creature is characterized by its long and sharp teeth, and it is fierce and nothing passes in front of its teeth is spared. It has great power to confront larger animals such as whales, octopuses, sea turtles and even white sharks. It was called the killer whale by the ancient sailors, as they called it whale killers. And this name has changed to what it is now. Where does orca live? Orcas are mostly found in most parts of the world, but they gather in greater numbers in specific areas, such as Alaska and New England, which is the mid-Atlantic region, the Pacific Islands, and the West Coast. These organisms are the most predatory among the organisms that live in the oceans. Many species join its list, each of which prefers a place and is concentrated in it. And these species are either major orca species or subspecies, but they are certainly widespread all over the world, specifically in the open seas and coastal areas. These whales face various threats such as extinction as a result of being dragged to marine parks or killed to protect the fish, in addition to marine pollutants, food shortages, and ship traffic. Orca species by species live in groups and lifestyles that differ from their peers. There are 50,000 whales worldwide, of which 2,500 are concentrated in the North Pacific. But these numbers are constantly decreasing with the challenges we face, which pushes governments to look for ways to reproduce and preserve them from potential extinction. Orcas follow habits and lifestyles in various areas of their lives, and here are some of them. This orca uses her body coverings as a camouflage for food, as her body is black with white spots. And young orcas have orange spots instead of white. These creatures prefer to swim in water with a depth of 20 to 60 meters. As for food, she dives into the depths to find something to eat. The activity of these organisms increases in the day and they sleep at night. They are classified as a social animal in abundance, traveling in groups of either large or small, between 3 to 50 orcas. And the unique thing about this is that the flight leader is a female. These whales form a social hierarchy of their groups, each group consisting of 20% adult males, 20% of the young and 60% of the young females and whales. The group learns hunting skills and raising young through training between them. These objects communicate with each other by whistling and clicking that enables them to locate them through the echo of the sound, using physical behaviors such as fins and tail movement. Among the features of orca are qualities that make them distinctive and unique, and the following is an explanation of some of them. Males of adult whales are significantly larger than females, specifically with pectoral fins, dorsal fins and tail. The largest killer whale found was recorded in length of approximately 9.8 meters and weighed 10 tons. The largest female was 8.5 m tall and weighed approximately 7.5 tons. These sizes may vary depending on the type. The shape of the killer whale's body is classified as cylindrical and inclined to be longitudinal on the edges, which gives him the ability to swim well since her body is low water resistance. We conclude from the previous that the orca is one of the types of dolphins, but it bears characteristics of the whale, and this is what made it take this name. It is classified as a fiercely deadly predator roaming the seas and diving into the depths. Lives in large, close-knit and organized groups that communicate with each other through echo and tail clicks. Killer orcas spend most of their time searching for food. They consume 90% of the daylight hours in search of what you eat. These organisms feed on marine mammals, including seals, sea lions and whales, and food preferences may vary depending on the type and environment of the whales. For example, the killer whale that lives in the northeastern Pacific Ocean prefers salmon and sharks. As for the killer whale that inhabits the North Atlantic, it prefers seals and small fish such as herring. In addition, dolphins, porpoises, baleen whales, octopus and squid and hunt its prey after pursuits in the form of groups or individually and then surround it and wrap around it and then devour it. And here we may be finished. I hope you like the video.